Hey guys, this is John with HookahJohn.com. Hopefully you've seen our other video where we showed you the brand new SAOCCA Hookah. SAOCCA stands for Santa Ana, Orange County, California. This is the box you will be receiving when you get your order from HookahJohn.com or at other fine retailers. This is the box you should be receiving. We've got several colors, so this is going to show you the actual color that you chose. In this case, we're choosing black and gold. So check this out. We're going to open this box and show you some little important tips as far as when you want to open it and put it together. So here we go. Check it out. All right, so this is your new package. It just came in from HookahJohn.com. It's your SAOCCA Hookah. Check out that box and packaging. So we'll go ahead and show you how to open it. It's a pretty simple sleeve that goes over your brown box that we made custom fit for this. There you go. And you open it like you're opening a pizza. These are your contents. You've got a base grommet, you got a bag with a bowl grommet, as well as 2 purge balls, one steel and one plastic. You've got some bubble wrap in there to protect the base. So first you've got your stem. Let me show you that. You take off the bowl part of the stem, and that's your main stem right there. Then in here you've got your down stem, which is assembled to your hub. Now the important part of this right now is there's no ball bearing in there. Where do you stick it in? So right now we're going to show you the disassembly, which is you just screw or unscrew your down stem. Comes out like that. Your hub will pop out, and it takes a little work. We've got these O-rings in there, and you're going to notice in here a spot to put your ball bearing. Now, which hole do you choose? You would choose the one that has that that does not have the upper lip right there. The one on the left there. Take your ball bearing like yay. You can choose plastic or steel, whatever's better for you. In this case, we'll be using the plastic ball bearing. Again, stick it in. Let me show that again. Right in that hole, not the one on the right of your screen right now that has a raised lip on it. There you go. Keep your ball bearing in there, and take the top part of your hub and put it in there. Now, to show you one thing, we want to line up. Okay, we can add a little water too to the ball bearing, to the O grommets or the O-rings, just to make it easier going in. All right. People like to use all sorts of lubes like olive oil or just KY jelly or whatever, but don't use water. That's it. Now you've got, what are we looking at here? If you take off your hose port, you're going to be able to see in the hose port, and what we want is to take the hole that is on the right of your screen right now, which is the one that has a lip, and you're going to fit it into, match it up with the hole that is in your outer hub. So try to line it up, and in there, if you're not exactly right, you're going to want to see that your hole is lined up with the top hole. Your bottom hole lined up with your top hole. Click it in, and it's not really a click system. It's your, it just slides in and is held together with your O-rings. Now you add your down stem. Show them a feature real quick of removing the diffuser from the down stem. Again, attached with O-rings. Let me show you an up close of that nice design on the O-ring. Check out the bottom of it. That's the outer part. Can you flip over your O-ring? There we go. No, I'm sorry, the diffuser. Let me see the other side of it again. There we go. So we got all angles. There you go. So now you just slide it onto your down stem. Again, if you need some water, it might help. Add your hose port back on. Then attach your stem body, if you will. Then take your tray, which is just an awesome tray. Let me show that real quick. See these raised edges there? The pyramid design there that you can rest your coals on. Take that tray out of the box. And you just line it up. You put the stem top or the bowl holder there, and you go ahead and screw that all on, and you've got your completed SAOCCA Hookah by HookahJohn.com. Hope you guys like this video. I know this is probably one of my most boring videos ever, but I think it'd be great if you guys watch this just so you figure out, especially the most important part here, get your ball bearing in first. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. HookahJohn signing out.